Here is a vintage Sears Kenmore box fan from the 50s or 60s. I'm not sure. I never really nailed down a production year for this one. I bought this one a couple of years ago from a lady who posted it on Marketplace. She was cleaning out her mother's house. Her mother was being relocated to an assisted care facility, and she sold me the fan and a Chicago Bulls 1996 NBA Finals trash can for $5. So that was a pretty good deal. And fan's in pretty nice shape. Blade's a little scratched up. It was out of balance when I got it, and the fan was pretty filthy when I got it. I cleaned it up as well as it's gonna clean up. Guards could stand to be sanded and repainted, but I mean, really, they're not bad at all. It's a General Electric motor, and I did remove the guards and the blade and made a little clip of the motor to show you guys the motor. We'll go ahead and put that in right about here. Here is the motor for the Sears Kenmore box fan. It's General Electric. Serial number information, upside down, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Made in USA. It has oil ports, front and rear. The motor is pretty dirty inside of there, but I can't figure out how to split it. It's like glue sealed shut, so I can't really get to it. Here's the back side. Another oil port on the rear. And you can oil the motor shaft through the rear bearing as well. But yeah, I haven't really found a good way to clean the windings. I guess that's just gonna have to be how it is. Best I can do is use compressed air and clean it out. I think I do have some spray stuff that's made for cleaning stuff like that, but I'm worried about it stripping the varnish. I don't really want to do that either. So I have to look into that a little more as far as cleaning the motor any further. But I mean, it runs fine. It seems to be okay. So I think I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And for the sticker information, over here is a UL sticker back there. Underwriters Laboratories Inc. And here is the information sticker. In all correspondence regarding this article, always mention Kenmore model number 75880-840. Order replacement parts by mail through any of our retail stores, Sears, Roebuck and Company. 115 volts, 60 cycle, 1.2 amps. It's a 2-speed fan. Rotary switch on the top, goes clockwise or counterclockwise. Here is the plug, which has seen better days. Obviously needs to be replaced. It's probably not the safest plug in the world, to be sure. But for purposes of video, we'll go ahead and use it. Here is the high speed. Fan moves pretty good air. It's really comfortable. It moves a lot of air, but it's not too harsh. mellow breeze. Go to low speed. Not much of a difference between high and low. The speed variation is almost non-existent. Back up to high. And we'll shut it off. And then after the spin down, we'll try to capture a startup sound on the low speed. You could already hear it on the high speed when I initially started it. We'll try to get it on the low speed. The furnace just kicked on, but I don't think that that's gonna silence the startup on this. It's a pretty good startup sound. So we'll just do it from right here. Here is low speed. Again.